void here. So it's basically requires the decoration mod if you do want to download it. So yeah, we're gonna start it off. I mean, it is very cool. It is probably one of the coolest ships I've seen on Stormworks. So we are going to spawn in the engine room with this actually clipped it in. But it's actually now clipped it to the boiler. So now we're going to turn that off so we can open the steam valves. And then we're going to do that. And then we're going to throttle up, kind of like, oh. So now we can, okay, looks like we can't throttle up because we don't have any boiler power, which is actually very cool. So this is basically a lumber, okay? Steam circuit, ignite, vent steam, and then vent the steam so we don't overheat, air valve, and then send hot water heaters. Yes! We are starting the SS Bayfield now. So let's just turn on the cargo lights. We don't keep them on, but it's okay. Wait, there's some valve up here. Valve button and valve button. Let's turn them on. So let's see if there's any way to turn on the lights while they be from this cabin. Because I've seen a door that leads down to it, like we just teleported in. Nope, there's no lights waiting. Is there one over that side? No. Wait, there's valves. Valve button and valve button. Okay, so I think we should save the throttle. So we're throttling up. Yep, we are starting up. There's a helicopter. Are we moving? It looks like the propeller is. It's okay. Looks like the boilers didn't heat up enough. So we're actually going to have to close the steam valves. Maybe. So yeah. Maybe there's something. Oh, boiler pressure. Okay, the vent steam is working. Yep, that looks good enough. So as you can see, we're going to get moving very shortly. Actually, we are moving. How fast are we going? What's that one say? It's a website. Let's turn the trigger. Speed knots too. Wait, what if we turn that off? Heading. So yeah, it's a pretty cool ship. So where do we want to deliver cargo to? Let's unlock our island and we go. I think we should go about, maybe about like, wait, no, this is where we should head out to. So let's just start seeing what's on board. So let's teleport down here. So map room, bridge. The map room is actually pretty nice. Wait, I haven't seen it. I have seen it actually, because I was playing on it. So look at the map screen. Looks very nice actually. Curtains. I done a tutorial, and the tutorial is actually that you can put blocks there and then put a curtain there and then delete the blocks and then put them there. So yeah, it's actually a good hack. So yeah, wait, there was a plaque thing. Lumber Hooker Bayfield. It's just a kind of credits. So we're coming in here. Packdale unknown. Ah! Here on Brave. Wait. Why do you turn on the lights? Where's the light switch? Does anyone know where the light switch is? Wait, what? How do we turn on the interior? It should be the glitch. So yeah. Back in here, okay, so here's the lights. There's a sword down here. This way. Doesn't that look very similar? Yeah, it's probably similar. That's probably what it is. Yeah, that's probably based off it. Because so navigation. So yeah, this is very nice. So 2 beds, which is very nice. Then you have a little radiator, a bathroom, and then books and models. So you have a light for the bathroom, of course, because there was a good toilet in the dark, of course. So radio room, light. Okay, very nice. Nice. This is actually very advanced for its time, actually. That's what the main thing I'm saying. Like how advanced it is for its time. Storage room, what's in here? Like it's just a bunch of storage things. Yeah. That's really about it. Let's go up to here. Captain's quarters. My bedroom. Yes, I have tiny curtains. I don't know why. And then I have a clock, so it is close to well. Water witch. I really like how they look. All like little things. Bathroom. Oh, this is very nice. Toilet. Okay, I'm just gonna close the door because I really need to go poop. Okay, don't go for my poo-poo. And then a second officer's quarter. Yeah, there's a bunch of things in here. Very nice. Like, I love all this detail that they actually put in. So that is probably it for this deck. So we're gonna move on. Okay, so I think we have to actually let's go up to the stove because I believe there's some things up here. Actually, so yeah, okay. So there's lifeboats, and then there's an American flag, and then there's down there. There's a bench and these lifeboats. And when we get into the storm, I think I might swing them out because we could have an engine break, which will be very bad. So here we are, here we have something to connect books to, and then you have break room. So is this a break room? This was the light. Where's the light? Yeah. So yeah, little cups, a book, and then more radiator and a cup. So the crew quarters. What else the fireman? Deccan, fireman, deccan, and nickname. So yeah, engine room, we've seen that, but we will. poisonous, which is probably the good enemy. Oh, looks actually quite nice menu. And workplace 6:2 or 7 a.m. Lunch 12:30. Dinner. Oh, so it's actually lunchtime. That is pretty cool. Well, let's see what's on the other side. Office address. Wow, this is actually quite nice. They have knives, napkins, and look at that. Look at this one. Yeah, it's not really bad. Wow, that is actually open. I thought that's not open. Oh, so this looks like stuff where you can kind of like cook food. Oh god. How would they bring up food? So I would probably imagine they would kind of bring up the food and then put it there. Oh no, that. Oh, that's right. So the deck below we have family slash food, family quarters slash food. Yeah, but we have access to that. I'm going to go this side. What's this? What is this? Oh, the storage and kitchen. So kitchen. Cold storage. And refrigerator. Oh, wait. Oh, there's. Oh, that makes so much more sense. So we're going to enter this, and then that's quarters. This must be a nightmare for this app. That's where. That's this decorates. Right. Oh, I really like the table clock. Oh, no, that is table clock because I own the decoration mod. This is pretty much a nightmare like that. So now we're going to see what's in here. Oh no, that's the transporters. And then the engine room. So in the engine room you have the boiler and then this. Are we moving? Okay, we're still moving. Because the engine isn't moving. Was this the glitch that happened on the Titanic where the engine wasn't moving? Okay, looking that's off. Question 2. Okay, yeah, that's going to be good. So, have a big one. You lights are on. Have a big tree. You can't turn. Oh, the lights are all on. Cargo bay 2, cargo bay 1, and then cargo bay left is on. Actually, quite interesting. Cargo. Okay, so we're already in here. That's actually the whole thing. Actually, we actually forgot this. The flight. Okay, I'm pretty sure that we've been sailing for long enough, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be a storm coming. And here is the storm. Not too bad of a storm, but it could get worse. This is only the start. You know what? I think we should. I'll play that. Wait. Let's get back to the village. Wait, what was that? Wait, why is that smoke? That smoke just went flying. What just happened? What just happened? Wait. Oh god, this is What is that? What is that? What is that? Okay, I think we should inspect. Wait, did the engine stop? Because we aren't moving. Okay, I think I have to inspect now. Let's get down. Let's get down. Let's get down. We have to go quick. We have to move quick now. Oh, it's making bad noises. What is happening? I think the engine exploded. No, okay, once we're done investigating, we're going to have to shut down the engine because... Oh, there's smoke. Oh, wait, there's water down here. Oh, what is floating in like wait. Okay, now no question. Vent the steam. Wait. Build pumps. Build pumps. Okay, the buildable pumps that are only home to survive. Tsunami. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the tsunami. What? But I have a big. Okay, guys. The build pumps don't look like to be helping. Okay. Cargo B4 and wait. How? Oh God! The water's quite high. Okay. Oh, that is a big hole. Okay, we are still moving. Wait, are we moving? No, we have stopped completely. Okay, I think I'm going to get the lifeboat, tap it down and release from the deck. Come on. Lifeboat down, only you. Okay, that lifeboat capsized. That is sad. But we have a bigger problem that we're dealing with right now. Go! Go, lifeboat, go! Yes. Lower, quickly! Okay. We have to move on. Yes! That lifeboat's stable! That won't be an escape later. Water down here is getting bad. I think the ship is actually... Okay, I think we need to recover some items. Because we can't let everything go down with the vessel. That would be bad. My cabin's up above. I need to get everything I own out of the cabin. Wait. Okay, I'll get everything. Okay, I got everything. I got my lantern, I got my book, I got everything. Okay, we're gonna turn off. Okay. Yeah, it's time to leave. Oh, yes. Wait, the ship's gone. Oh, God, the stern's going. Oh, it's gone. Oh, I just escaped in time. Yes, get to the lifeboat. Okay, that was pretty intense. We just went down. It didn't take that long when we first went down. Like, it was taking its time, but then at the last few seconds it just flew. Like, when I got out of the deck on the spawn was almost completely underwater. the weapons. Because I think that would be a pretty good idea. Because we can't leave it. Because, so we're just gonna spawn something. A vessel. Was to use. I think we should use this one. Looks incredible. Okay, this thing is actually quite good, so I'm going to use this. So now we're going to turn off the heating and okay, this thing goes pretty slow. I think we should get the incredibly fast yacht iron. Because here is my yacht. I was trying to save it yesterday after, so this thing will be pretty good for me. Okay, I see the thing. You can see it's like, but now I'm going to go to custom. Because we want to make it a nice thing. That actually kind of gave me a little bit of a fright. Like, as soon as we got out of my cabin, okay, that was kind of like, that was the fastest thing ever. Like, in Stormworks, some ships capsized and they took a little while to sink. But that thing, like, it was just sinking slowly. Very nice, it was sinking smoothly. It was taking its time, and then at one point, once the hatches went under, there was just once the hatches went under, there was no point, like, hope of rescue. Like, I would have towed it back to shore if I had time. But once the hatches went under, there was no time to tow it back. Yeah, I just see at the bottom. Wow. Exactly when the hatches went under, because remember in Bayfield, there wasn't that much water, but then remember when the hatches went under in the storm, like they were actually kind of basically the Bay quickly flooded. I just see it. Okay, so we are going to swim down now. So I'm going to start slowing down as well. Going to get closer. I'm actually gonna no clip all the way down here. Oh, I didn't close that door. That must have been one of the reasons why it went down so fast after the sinking, because I didn't close the door. 7 is still flooding. What about my cabin? Let's try no clip into my cabin. I'd like to see that. Yes, my cabin is almost dry. My bathroom. So yeah, the cabin is pretty nice. Look at the damage here. That must have probably. Wait. Okay, so I think we should go down the deck below now. There will probably be the damage down there, because didn't you see the damage when we? That is a lot of damage. Like, look at that. The storage room is flooded. The radio room is flooded. Only because all of this damage just like destroyed it. Like, all the water just flooded in. Guys, subscribe if you want me to save this game and try raid it. Subscribe if you want to see that. Because I really do want to raid this. Okay, I think we should try and go down to the like cargo hold area, because I think it would be pretty good to go down there. Because I mean, if we go down to the cargo hold, okay, there's probably going to be a bit of damage down here. Like, I mean, we're at the bottom of the vessel, so wouldn't there be damage? Okay, let's go behind this wall. Wait, we never got to see this area. The fuel tank, how do you even get it? There's no hatches. Yeah, that's a lot of damage. Oh wait, the boiler's still on? Yep, that's gonna put out the boiler for sure. We're going to turn off the ignite. Okay, there's no pressure, so we just might as well kill the boiler. Wow, that was an intense sinking. To make it more accurate, I'd imagine like all the coal would have just fell. Like, look at all the coal. It's just filled. We're just going to keep kind of dropping this core, because there is a lot of core just floating out now. But we're just trying to evacuate all the core. Okay, that one probably doesn't work. Let's see the end. Wait. Main hull one. Where's the main hull? Oh. There should be I'm just going to actually now look at the vessels and be like kind of like really can't see anything. Wow, this is quite impressive. What's this? Let's go like to the aft areas. Is it probably not okay? Yes, it is. Oh, it's good. Store. Maybe we can open that. because all the water is actually going to be like kind of, I imagine these would be like kind of broken open, kind of like broken open, like not being able to kind of like, I imagine in real life like all of these would have kind of fallen to the deck or kind of like open, because in real life the crew would be trying to evacuate like all items, because if they don't get all the items out there, like, that would kind of be bad. Yeah, we're just gonna kind of make it look like a big mess. Kind of like all of the hatches will kind of blow open. Most hatches just kind of blew open. Wow, this is actually quite impressive seeing like a lot. Like this is a lost tank. I mean, it just was lost at sea. It was sailing and then it just, wait, we missed this area. Oh, hey, the engine room isn't full of water actually. But I'm quite impressed, which will help us. So guys, make sure to subscribe if you want to see me waste this, because I think it would be pretty cool, like bringing this back up to the surface. Hey look, there's a lot. You can see it. So bye guys! I think I actually might take it back to like the core area